Just a stone's throw away from our campground we find the village of Saint-Léon-sur-Vétère, one of the most beautiful ones in France. Just off the village road stands the magnificent estate, a manor house which is typical in the Périgord, with its 12th century tower, which has survived the centuries from the Middle Ages to the present day. It is a historical monument and, thanks to the exemplary restoration carried out by its owners since the 1970s, a rare testimony of the 15th century. Like so often in old buildings in this area that have survived the centuries, it seems that the old residents just left to return right away. The Great Hall of the mansion is the social center of the house and has a remarkable fireplace, wall hangings and a rich historical furniture. A visit here completes the walk through the old village down to the river, before returning to the campground invigorated in one of the numerous and good restaurants.